Hosting this year, Ashley Wilson from Merry Maids Kitchener-Waterloo-Cambridge has tips to make cleaning your space that much easier, and we're going to start with the oven racks. It's the bane of my existence. Ours are filthy and I can't get them clean.
It's one of those areas that, you know, year round it's an issue, but especially close to the holidays, you want to make things simple on yourself, a little easier. So to clean the oven racks, you're going to take 3 parts baking soda. Okay. If you wouldn't mind just putting the water in there and just mixing that in.
Am I going to put all that water in?
Yeah, you can dump that right in. You want to make it kind of to a paste. Just give that a stir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just gonna...
And then what we're going to do is we're just going to take our sponge. That's okay.
Yep. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, I'm going to give you
Maybe
the sponge
that's okay, a little less water, but that's okay. You're going to take your baking soda paste, you're going to scrub it right onto your rack.
You want it a little bit thicker.
Yeah, a little thicker than that. You're going to let it sit overnight. And after you let it sit overnight, you're going to take some vinegar, spray it down, let it get that foaming reaction, and then start scrubbing away, and it should just fall right off.
Really?
Yeah, absolutely. Nice and easy.
All right, and it's important to, I find that, to get the oven cleaned inside because everybody's going to be looking inside of it.
Absolutely, it's one of those spaces that you're going to open, and everyone's just standing there watching.
Yeah, I'll take that from you then.
Thank you. Then other space, you know, not an easy one to maintain, is your microwave.
Right.
Always gets the splatter. So, you know, you're going to put a little bowl with some water, lemon slices inside, turn it on for 5 minutes. And then you're going to let it steam for another 5 minutes. And then once you've let it sit, we've already had this sitting. Yeah, it's ready to go. I'm going to take out your...
Ooh, wow, what happened in that microwave?
Yeah.
I don't know if
we brought this one from home, so we got a little extra dirty.
Ours.
You're going to take your cloth and you're just going to wipe it out. It comes nice and clean. You know, don't forget your plate.
Yeah, to take it out.
Yeah, absolutely. This is quite caked on. This was some nice ketchup we had in addition.
All right.
And that lemon oil just gives it that lift that needs to get the product off.
Okay.
Just give it a little scrub.
A little bit of a scrub.
Yeah,
this is
absolutely.
for TV purposes. Then.
Absolutely, yeah.
And it's a good idea, I can imagine, to get this kind of done in little bits beforehand.
Absolutely. I mean, doing it in stages is the best thing so you're not overwhelmed. The holidays are busy enough. You don't need to overwhelm yourself.
So maybe an hour or two every day or every evening kind of
every
thing.
night, that type of idea. Yeah, absolutely.
That's a great idea. And then it smells so nice right now.
Yes, so this is our simmer pot. So basically what we've done is we've taken star of anise, some cinnamon sticks, cloves, some dried orange slices. We do have some rosemary as well.
Okay.
And some cranberries. And we've stuck them in the simmer pot. Let it simmer. You can let that simmer for hours.
Okay, and this is a great gift idea
Absolutely.
too. Like you've got all the stuff.
Nice little hostess gift, so if you want to put some of that in there, we've got one set up here, and you can just tie it off with a nice little bow. And it's a great little gift for anybody you're going to visit over the holiday season.
That's really nice.
Smells
and then
beautiful.
You can always, like, the jars are a huge thing for me. I reuse these jars for everything.
Yeah, absolutely.
So they can use that as well.
You can add little bits of greenery too. We've cut some greenery just out of the backyard and thrown those in just for look.
Can't quite reach those, but that is a nice little idea and something that they'd actually use. And you just have it kind of simmering, and then that way before guests come over, especially on a day when you're not cooking things, right?
Yeah.
It would smell nice.
It smells beautiful, and you can let it go for hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what if you need some extra help?
Absolutely. You can, if you don't get it all done, you can give us a call. We do have the entertainers package. We can come in and take care of just kind of that main level for you where your guests are going to visit and see. Alternatively, there's the option for gift cards, which is also a great hostess gift, as well as for that family member who just doesn't have the time to get to it themselves.
Because will you come in like just for a one-time thing if you're not used, if you're used to cleaning it yourself, but it's just like, I need that extra help?
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of people around the holiday season will call us just for that little bit of extra help that they need. Just take one other thing off their list.
Yeah, and that's a good tip too of just cleaning the surfaces or the areas where people are going to be. Don't worry about like all of the bedrooms, right?
Exactly.
Maybe one in case like somebody has a little one that they're going to lay down or something like that. But yeah, just take care of what people are going to see. And I always find that I end up cleaning more after people have come.
Well, and you can always do that follow-up clean as well. We can come in after the party's over too. You don't have to do that cleanup afterwards.
Okay, some reassurance. And that would make a pretty nice hostess gift as well.
Yes.
Okay, we'll get all your links up on our website at chch.com/morninglive. And happy cleaning.
Thank you.